Press the subscribe button for subscribing my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon beside it for getting new updates from my channel.
So what is happening, guys? This is Shubhto and you are watching Shubhto Tech, and once more all of you guys are greatly welcome to my channel. And in this particular video I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus refurbished like new version from the toogood.com. So guys, watch the video till the end because I will also going to test few of the things of the S9 Plus that you should do after buying your phone from the toogood.com. And for getting more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon beside it. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video till the end.
So guys, this is the box that I have received from toogood.com through Ekcart Logistics, and the box looks like this. In the middle of the box you can notice it is written sealed, and this box contains my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Sunrise Gold version. So let's move on toward opening the package. So as we open the box, we can see the box of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus wrapped by a bubble wrapper. After removing it, we can see the box of our Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. On the box from top to bottom, few stickers are present which clearly says that this is a repaired handset from Samsung that comes with a 6-month warranty, and it is a smart value product. At the back of the box, we can see few highlighted specification of the smartphone such as screen size, camera and so on. This is the 6GB 128GB variant of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with the sunrise gold color. The price of the phone is 44,999, and I think you know the specification of the smartphone, so I am not reading them again. So let's move towards the unboxing, and in the meantime press the red subscribe button and the like button for getting the phone at free of cost. On this side we can also able to find few information like the box content, its original MRP that is 74,000, and the manufacturing month that is June 2018. So guys, this is the box of our Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and on this side you can see it is written Sunrise Gold, as it is the Sunrise Gold variant of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So the packaging is really awesome and like the new, as it is a like new unboxed product. So this is what the packaging look like. On this side we get 3 seals where we can find it is written Samsung Mobile. We have to remove them in order to open the box. So let's cut them and see the main content of our box. So as we open the box like this, we get this kind of packaging and another box at the top. So this contains few of the things such as paperwork and other things. So let's open it and see the content. So we get a TPU case for our Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You can see the quality of it. So we get a warranty card. It is a repaired product from Samsung, so it comes with a 6-month warranty. So this is what the warranty card looks like. Here other few information are written about the warranty, on which things you are getting the warranty. So other than this, within the box we get another packet in which we can see our SIM ejector pin. So this is a SIM ejector pin. So this packet contain few of the informations and paperwork such as a quick start guide in English, Hindi, SAR information. So let's open and see few of them. So you can see this is the quick start guide. So this is the main content of our box, that is a smartphone. So I am keeping it aside and seeing what other things we get along with this guy. So this is a fast charger, that is comes with the typical Samsung fast charging rating. So here you can see it is written B on the packet of the charger. Why it is written I don't know. So here you can see adaptive fast charging is written. So other than this we get a USB connector. Here you can see on which Samsung logo is also embossed. So within the box we get a Type-C cable. So it is a Type-C cable for charging obviously, and the packaging is like new as you can see. So I think this is a new cable as there is no scratch over in the front and back, and it looks fully like a new one. I hope you can see them. So other than this, in the box we get our headset. So it is present with a zip packet. So let's take it out. So this is a headset. It is tuned by AKG and it also looks like new. This is what the headphone looks like. So apart from this, within the box we also get a earbud. There are 4 earbuds present within this packet. Here you can see them all. So this is what about the box content. So let's move on to the main product, that is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So this is the smartphone and this is what it looks like. So I have to examine it carefully in order to see whether any scratches are present on it. So no plastic is present on the back and front. A piece of sticker is present in which you can see a B logo is present, and it contains our IMEI number, and it is written 128 GB, that is its internal memory. So this is what it looks like from the back. Still now I haven't noticed any one scratch on the back and in the front. So let's see the other side. So at this position we get a speaker, a mic, a USB Type-C port, and a headphone jack or headphone hole, you can say. And on the top we get a SIM ejector tray and a mic hole. So let's see the SIM tray by taking it out. So this is the SIM tray, as you can see. All are in the good condition. So let's boot it up for the first time. So guys, this is what the phone look like after its initial setup, and this is the phone. I have also inserted the phone within the soft TPU case that comes within the box of the smartphone. So it has 44% battery left within it. So let's go to the setting and check the software information and the UI of this phone. So here we have to go to the about phone, and here you can see the name of this phone, that is Galaxy S9 Plus, and few other information are present over here. So let's move to the software information. So in the software information we can see the phone is running in Samsung Experience version 9.0 and Android version 8.0, that is Android Oreo. It is the 128GB version that I have mentioned before. So it's a quite fast and it is looking like this. So that means this phone is not at all used for 1 year, and that's why it is still running in Android Oreo, as the Android Pie update is always been here. So let's update it and see it how it's work. So guys, this is what the phone look like after the initial update. So I have done almost 3 to 4 GB of update. so through the software update sections, and here what the phone look like after that. So I have also using the fingerprint scanner. Here you can see how fast it's working, touch and open. So let's move into the setting and see what the software is running within it. So within the settings we have to go to the software information. Here is the settings. It looks different from before. So in the software information, here you can see it is running in Samsung One UI version 1.0 and Android version 9, that is Android Pie. So this is what the phone look like after the updates. So here you can see how smoothly the phone is working. The phone has become more fluid in nature after the updates. So guys, I am performing the water test on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is IP63 registered, but it is a refurbished one. So in the mind of many people, it is a confusion whether they will get a waterproof phone or not. So I am going to test this. So here you can see I have dipped my phone over in the water and it is still working fine. So let dip like this. So guys, after dipping the device for 2 to 3 minutes in water, the device is working perfectly without any issue, though the fingerprint scanner isn't responding properly since my hands and the sensor of the phone is wet. So let's check out the camera of this smartphone. Is it working still now? Yeah, it is working perfectly. So the live focus and all the things of this smartphone is working. So let's move towards some extreme test of water on this device. So guys, hope you like this video. Before ending the video, I want to show you few camera samples of this device. So let's see them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, up to this, I hope if you like this video. If you have any question regarding buying this smartphone from toogood.com or any other refurbished smartphone through toogood.com, don't hesitate to question me over in the comment box and I will try to answer each of the questions. So in this video, up to this, meet you in the next video with something much more interesting.